For 4 generations, the Bartling family has been harvesting cranberries right here in Manitowish Waters, Wisconsin.
My great-grandfather first started with just a few acres. He came up here with no machinery, and along with a few other growers in the area, and started planting cranberries, and it's just evolved what we have today.
Now the family produces around 42,000 barrels of cranberries each year. Picking them by hand would be painstaking, but Wisconsin's lakes allow for an easier harvest by flooding the beds.
We don't use water, we borrow water, because it's all returned eventually back to the reservoir. And we'll reuse that water over and over and over, and then eventually it'll seep back to the lake.
Over the years, the Bartlings have cranberry harvesting down to a science, from skimming the fruit off the water.
They're set up so then they do the same pattern over and over to most efficiently get the fruit into the machine.
To growing the berries. Now they use sensors in some of their beds to monitor the temperature and soil. Even this year's early spring couldn't throw them off. In fact, the longer season made their fruit better.
We get a better sugar content developed in the berry, which is actually what the color red is the sugar.
Reporting the news in Manitowish Waters, Kailey, Burton, Newswatch 12.